Hello everybody, today I've been given the pleasure to unbox the new Ostation 2 3-in-1 smart battery charger. So just a quick little unboxing before we get into the actual features, because we are given a bunch. Starting off with the user manual, which we will not be needing today as you guys have me. Right on top over here, we're also given the charger. Yes, this is how you're going to be plugging in everything and powering everything up, which is all neat and dandy. They also give you a nice little battery pack, and that seems to be about everything that actually comes into here. Inside, we are given the actual Ostation 2, and then of course just a little film at the bottom protecting everything, which is all nice and dandy. So here is the Ostation 2. We are given a lot of different features. We have the AAA batteries. I do have a bunch of batteries that I will be plugging into this, and Ostation is actually kind enough to give me all the batteries, so shout out to them. But besides that, we have AAA batteries over here, and then the AA batteries here. So pretty much this can take up to 12 batteries of each at the same time, so 24 in total. It also has a self-sufficient app where you can track how much this is actually charging and what is charging at the time, and what battery is highest in charge or lowest in charge, and what exactly is the battery percentage that's on it. But it's very neat. I will be turning it on soon, but let's just show you around. These are both the compartments that you can manually open. Upon opening it, this is where a fully charged battery would be after it's done charging throughout the main station. And then this, by clicking it in and taking it out, this is where any false or messed up batteries, anything that's messed up, will just simply get put here, so you could take it out and figure out what's wrong. There's also a little way right over here where when you hold this down, you can actually open this up just in case there's ever any jams. Then you could just simply open up and repair anything. But other than that, you will not need to actually mess with any of this. Over here will be the lights telling you that there are 2 batteries charging at a time, 2 AAAs and 2 AAs. And then also in the back, we are given the charging indicator guidance right over here. As you can see, green is ready to charge. Blinking red would mean that the charging slot is jammed. This is where the power cord would go. And finally, this is how to actually pair the Ostation 2 to your phone, which we will be doing in the next shot. So give me a second, let me go get the batteries, let me clear everything up, and let's show you how this product actually works. Thank you guys. Hello everybody, so as promised, I have set everything up, and here are the batteries from yours truly. So starting off with the AAA, all we have to do is just use the best feature about this is there is absolutely no polarization needed. All we have to do is just simply take it. No matter which way we do it, we can just click it anywhere. So you could just imagine, you want to charge some things, you just happen to be walking by, and you just simply do this and then walk away. Everything will be done in no time, and you'll see that everything is set up right over here in the station, and everything will be making its way here in a second. Now when it comes to our AA batteries, same thing over here. All you have to do is just simply plug it in. Now again, this is the absolute convenience of this, is you don't have to worry about actually checking, which one is the positive, which one is the negative. Now you could just simply click it all in. And once more, like we said, this can take 12 of each type of battery, which is phenomenal, at a very high speed, at a very affordable price, and at the same time, you can even track what the percentage it is. So everything is in some time. You'll see the green over here because it is plugged in. As you can see, this means it's plugged in. The green means it is ready to charge, and slowly but surely you will see the station start bringing everything into our main station, and eventually they will pop through over here. Orange means it is actively blinking, so there are 2 charging currently. In the meantime, I do want to set up the app and show you guys what everything looks like. So this is the app we call Olight 2 to be exact. You will simply click on the plus sign. You will go back here. It says quickly press the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will start blinking blue. And we can just wait right over here. And as you can see, Ostation 2 has been added successfully. By clicking done, we now see the batteries are actually here. Everything is charging. It's currently 29 to 39%, and you should have even heard a little small mechanic happen over here. Our first battery has officially entered down into the charging station, so they are actively charging. And as you can see right over here, as proof, one is at 39%, one is at 30%, and it gives us the different cycles. So batteries were fully charged during this power on period. Invalid batteries that have to come through this little port right over here. If we want to make the schedule, if you want to higher your sensitivities, you could head into here, just change anything that you need to. You could obviously update. They do take updates from time to time. And then, as you just heard again, the mechanics are working, things are moving throughout the station, which is phenomenal. But that is all of everything for Ostation 2. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I truly do recommend the Ostation 2. When the things do fully charge, they would simply pop out to here. You take them out and use them. It doesn't get simpler than that. You're also given a beautiful app that tells you what stuff was invalid. This was at 39, it's already at 43. Everything is moving quick and simple, and that is why we love the Ostation 2. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I truly do recommend this. Have a good day, guys, and bye-bye.